Hi, welcome to Ineo. Today we're going to show you how to use a buffet warmer. So first of all, let's look at the components. We have this over here. This item is used to store our alcohol-filled tablets inside. So what you do is you put the tablet inside and you light it up with a lighter and it will start to burn. After it starts to burn, we install it inside under here. Now this will provide heat to underneath our buffetware. After that, we need to make sure we add water inside of this layer right here. Now after the water has been heated up, we can then put in our tray inside and add our food inside as well. The hot water inside of here will continuously warm the food on top. And we also have a cover to seal it. Now whenever customers are coming to have their food, they can open the lid and use utensils to take out the food, and it will remain warm inside.